Hello, friends. Once again, it's an honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. What you see before you is a clip from a video I posted earlier this year. This happens to be a vehicle that I replaced the starter on. The reason I am showing you this is in response to a question I received in my comment section. The question was in response to another video I posted about how good the warranty is at AutoZone. I'll leave a link to both these videos at the end of this video. In that AutoZone video, I was of the opinion that the AutoZone warranty is as close as you can get to a no questions asked warranty. All you need is your phone number, and they will replace any item that was purchased, providing it's within the warranty period. Most of their warranties are for life. The question that was asked is, how good are the AutoZone rebuilt starter motors? Now, the short answer to the question is, I don't like any component that has been rebuilt. Now, the reason I don't like rebuilt or refurbished components is these are parts that have failed. Someone has taken the part, tried to clean it up, repair whatever was wrong with it, and sell it as a rebuild. Hopefully, they have been able to fix the problem and it will last for many years, but sometimes that's not the case. AutoZone guarantees their rebuilt parts for life. Now, what they mean by life, it's as long as you own the car. The warranties are not transferable to the new owner. So it's either your lifetime, AutoZone's lifetime, or as long as you own the car. What you see before you on my bench is the actual starter that I installed in my truck. It just so happens that I did indeed purchase it from AutoZone, and it is indeed a rebuilt starter. Now, I don't want you to think me a hypocrite, so I'd like to explain why in this particular instance I went ahead and used a rebuilt starter from AutoZone. Now, there's quite a bit of money that can be saved by buying a rebuilt part or even a used part. It's much cheaper than a new part. Now, it's very nice that AutoZone and other companies guarantee their parts for life. However, they don't guarantee the labor that it takes to install the part. So herein lies how I make the decision on whether or not to opt for a rebuilt part or a used part, or go to the expense of a brand new part. In my mind, it all depends on how difficult the repair is. Many starters on some of these small cars that we drive these days are extremely difficult to get at the starter and replace it. It takes several hours sometimes. And other times, like the truck you see here, it's wide open and it's very, very easy to replace the starter. So in this particular instance, because the starter was so easy to replace, it only took a few minutes, I opted for a rebuilt starter to save the money, figuring if it failed, AutoZone would replace it, and it's not that much trouble to put the new one in. So let that be the deciding factor on whether you go with rebuilt, used, or new. How difficult is it to complete the repair? And if it's an easy repair, go ahead and buy a rebuilt or used one. If it's a very difficult repair, then I would spend the money and buy a brand new part. So friends, to answer the question, how good are the rebuilt starters at AutoZone? They're probably no better or no worse than the rebuilt parts offered at any other parts store chain. So friends, in making your decision whether to go with a rebuilt part, a new part, or even a used part on your vehicle, consider the difficulty of the repair itself. Keep in mind that to use a rebuilt part or a used part is a little more of a risk than using a brand new part. So that's all I've got here today at Rick's Garage. I want to thank you once again for watching. Before I go, I'm going to post two videos to your left. One will be the actual starter repair on the vehicle you see before you. And the other will be the video I posted on the AutoZone warranties. To your right will be a picture of my avatar in the form of my trusty German Shepherd. Feel free to click on that if you wish to subscribe. So thanks again for watching, and it's my sincere hope to see you all again very, very soon.